Okay, I want to tell you about a new circuit or pair of circuits that I'm working on. It's for dryers. There's one over there. You can see it plugged into the AC outlet. And here's this other one over here. Okay, so what they do is they basically tell you whether or not air is venting through the exhaust pipe here from the dryer. And that lets you know whether or not this exhaust pipe is clogged. The way it works specifically is that the circuit over here, let's get it close up. Circuit over here has an airflow sensor in it and pressure sensor in it, and it just plugs into the pipe. And as long as it's receiving air, it's going to say everything's fine. But once the air stops flowing, which indicates that there's a clog there. Actually, right now I'm just simulating it when any air stops. So, like when the dryer shuts off, it will also simulate an air clog. And what will happen is the circuit will then send a warning by Bluetooth over to this device here. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one on. Here's the on-off switch on this side. And what we'll see first is this red flashing light indicates that it's trying to pair with the other one. So once it turns green, it's successfully paired up. And that one is stopped flashing red. So they're successfully paired. And the green light, another second green light is on just to show that it's on and it's functioning okay. So right now I'm going to simulate an air clog by opening up the dryer door, which will stop it from running. And once I do that, we should see a flashing light, which is a warning symbol. There it is. So what will happen is there will be a case over this, and the light will be indicated as a warning symbol. That's pretty much all there is to the circuit. So hope it works for you.